it's Richard here from Williams Crawford. And one of the things that our customers are asking us about all the time is upgrading their music system to see if we can do Apple CarPlay. And I've got Josh here to explain.
Oh yeah.
Because he's the guy who fits them for us. So if I could ask a couple of questions, just so that I'm clear, what's the main advantage?
So it's the integration with your phone. It's a really nice way. You get all your apps and the functionality that you get through your phone, you basically get on your screen. So, right, to go into it and just show you a little bit.
Yeah.
So really simple. Once we install the additional parts that we have to get into the CarPlay, just to press on the nav button, and here we are. So anyone that's used it before on a modern car will recognise what this looks like. So you've got all your apps and bits and pieces that you'd usually expect to see, and you've got your music apps such as Spotify, and a lot of people like to use Waze for maps as well, which is a really popular thing.
Yeah.
And then you've got all your own music as well, and full functionality with touchscreen as well on there. So yeah, it's fantastic.
Transforms it really.
Yeah, really nice way of kind of installing it and updating, uplifting your PCM really.
Fantastic. If you want to give us a ring here at Williams Crawford, have a word with our service department. I can keep Josh busy by installing more of these. Many thanks for watching.